Okay, so for this question, we're subtracting two fractions, and I need to get common denominators for subtraction. And as you've seen, we need to get those the same, and because we've got the x plus 1 and the x plus 3, we need both of those. So here, let me copy this down over here. So 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 3. So we need, you've seen enough of this now that I've got to multiply I know the common denominator is going to be x plus 1 times x plus 3. So this fraction's missing, look at the denominator and compare it to that common denominator, right? And it's missing the x plus 3. So I've got to multiply this fraction by a form of 1, x plus 3 over x plus 3. And this one's missing the x plus 1. So I've got to multiply by x plus 1 over x plus 1. So I don't change the value, right? And so it's 1 times x plus 3. And I'm just going to write x plus 3. And I mean, I could write here. I could write this as parentheses 1, but doesn't that look a lot more complicated? I mean, if we don't need to do it, let's not make it hard. Let's see. How do I undo with this paint program? Oh, what the heck? I'll just erase it. Here. You got to bear with me a little bit. If there's nothing being multiplied there, then you don't want to write a set of parentheses for that one. And the next one we will because of the negative. But so what am I writing? X plus 3. And like I said, if there was a 7 or something here, where the 1 is, then you'd have to do a distributive property. But we don't need to there, but we are subtracting. So I need to have that subtraction. And then I'm multiplying 1 times x plus 1. So because of that subtraction, we got to make sure that we do some distributing property there. So that's going to give me x plus 3 minus x minus 1, right? So I distributed that through, right? Negative 1 times x, negative 1 times 1. And then what cancels out here? Well, I mean, I know it's over that common denominator. I'm going to be lazy for a minute. X minus x is gone. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 over x plus 1 times x plus 3. And you could have the x plus 3 first. That would matter here. Now, my open math asks you to type this in a little bit different form. They don't want you to write a fraction. They kind of say, okay, so what's the top function? What's the top polynomial? And I just see a 2. Whoops, what do I just want to type 2 because that's what my top is. Then my bottom is, now I need to do some parentheses and x plus 1 and another parentheses, x plus 3. Whoops. See, I was giving me the syntax here because I have some messed up fingers here, fat fingers here, and then submit. Let's see if I get it right. Woohoo. Okay, so they are looking for the whole thing in one of them. Okay,